Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, this is where we break down graphic design and we drop design weekly. Every Friday design tutorial is being dropped. Now, without much talking, let's dive into this tutorial. Now I'll take you guys through the process of how I created this design, this clean simple design in Photoshop. Now open your Photoshop. Now let's go. What you do first, go to your file, go to new, and the size that I used was 1000. You can see the size here. This was the size I used, and I'll name it P-Shot and click on enter. This is the size. Let me bring the picture I used. So here is the picture I used. Now I'll scale it. Yes, and I think I'm cool here. Now what I'll do, go to my select subject and wait for the selection to load up. And also, if you have not purchased the graphic design essential bundles, I will advise you to purchase it. It's going for 1000 naira only, and it consists of a lot of graphic design resources like backgrounds, models, elements, and some font. And like I said, it's going for only 1000 naira. Now when selection is made, Ctrl J to duplicate it. Now go to view, guides, and most of you on my channel are already used to this. I actually love doing this alignment to make my design align, because I don't want my design to go up. No, this alignment is actually a principle of design actually. Now what I'll do next, click on the horizontal and give it 10%, enter, and 90%, enter. Yes. So now what I'll do next is go to my shape and the color code is 100B11. Click on OK. Then next thing I wrote is .cam-g. Come guys. So to make this video not that long, let me just go and bring it. Where is it? I think I have it in the logo. Where is the? I think I will have it somewhere here. Just type it. Then click on your select to that comes yes. What I did this place, I made it I think 5. Yes. Then I'll bring in the logo. Let me look for the logo. I think this is the logo. Yes. Let's bring a drop and drag. We're almost done with the design. Let me drag and drag the CTA, which is this ND part. I want to bring this down part here. Now I already made that because I actually don't want the video to be that long. I use the same color code which I use in this part. Just bring it down. Now you can now see what I did. It will take a whole lot of time if I start typing all of them out again. That's why click on Ctrl A and centralize it, then Ctrl D to deselect. So we are almost done with it, guys. So the next thing is to let's go back and click on new layer, text, and P. Let me give it all caps. Short. This guy is a cinematographer. He is very good. In case you're looking for somebody that will shoot your music video, you can trust this guy. And he's known. You can go and search him on Instagram or TikTok, and this is his number. Just in case you can. He's also a photographer and he's very good. He's very good. He was the one that even took me my birthday picture. Guy is amazing. I actually love working with photographers and cinematographers because they are all part of the media stuff. You just Ctrl T, scale it, yes, and Ctrl A. Now let's go and Ctrl D to deselect. I aligned it and select it. Yeah. Let me shift it. I'm using my arrow key. I think it's okay now. Then I'll just control. Did I put it in bold? Let me check. Bold. No. I don't know why now I love using regular now. Or regular or medium. I'll leave it at medium. Then just Ctrl A and align it. Ctrl A and align it. Ctrl D to deselect it. Now that glowing effect I did, it was actually very easy to make. First, Ctrl J and convert to smart object. Now what you do, you double click. If you don't want to double click, just go to FX and look for outer glow. You can see, just copy my setting, guys. This was the setting I used. Opacity 56, spread 0, size 29. Let me bring it to the screen. This was my setting I used. Then click on OK. What I did next, Ctrl J. You know that there's actually a lot of ways to achieve something in Photoshop. There are actually a lot of ways. So let me show you another way of achieving this glowing text. Okay, let me delete this effects. Now what I'll do next is go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur. You can see the more I increase it, the more it becomes brighter, the more it glows more. Let me leave it. Let me reduce the radius to, I think 4.4 is okay. 4.4 is okay. There are actually a lot of things I can do right now. Photoshop is, for me, is the best, but for some other people it might not be the best, but I love it so much. It's actually complicated though. So like my first time of using Photoshop, I was like, this is crazy. Okay, so next what I'll write is cinematographer. Sorry. Let me group all this and name it glow. Ctrl G and glow. Now go to new, and the fonts I used, before I forgot, Numixer. If you guys notice, most of the fonts I've been using, most of the typeface are actually Numixer. It's not that it's only Numixer. I have lots of fonts, but I'm actually consistent using Numixer. There are actually a lot of fonts that you can explore, and it's actually very good. But it's not for audio design. I use Numixer. Like in my next tutorial, I think the fonts I'll be, that one will actually not be as easy as this. So actually, don't miss the next tutorial I'm dropping. Don't miss that one out. Alright, so cinematographer. Even if I spell it first, if I spelled it correct, yeah, represent me. Alright, let's go, guys. Ctrl T and reduce the size. I already love the picture when I saw the picture. Like, this picture is great. When I saw the picture, the idea just came to my mind. And I should give you one trick, guys, and it will be helpful for those that have watched to this extent. When you are designing, or when you want to design, don't just rush into Photoshop and start designing. Hope you guys are getting me. Don't just rush into Photoshop and start designing. Have a sketch note. For me, I have a sketch note. Before, I actually don't sketch. I will just open Photoshop and start designing. But I realized that when you sketch, it will make your design process more easier. Hope you are getting me, guys. Your design process will be more easier. So always learn to sketch out your ideas out. Now what I'll do, hold your Alt and your Shift, then drag. What this does is make it like aligned. I don't know if you're getting me, but yeah, sure. Let's move on. Now, right, photographer. Yes. Let me move this one. Yeah. If you want it to move faster, hold your shift and that's it. So we are done with the design. The last step, hold your come on guys. Aha, I was like, no, this is not completely what I did. Now go to, let me go to my resources and light, bring it up, change the blending mode to screen, and drag the first one here, Ctrl J to duplicate it, and drag the other one here. Because look, the light reflection is coming to his face, and there's another one here in the ground, but it's not noticeable. So this is actually like a sun reflection. That's why I did it. Now the next thing, hold your Control and Shift, then just click on the side, on the upside. And what you do next is hold your Control Shift Alt A, create a snapshot of it, left click and convert to smart object. Then this is the process. I actually love this last part. Go to camera raw filter, and actually do not do lots of stuff here. I just give it grain in the effect part, in the effect side. This is the effect before calibration. Okay, I gave it a little bit of grain and I played with the vignette. I actually love this vignette. You can see, vignette is crazy. It's very crazy. I'll show you what to do because I think I made a mistake. You can see, okay, before, after. Vignette is very good though. See guys, be using vignette, but it's not every time, sure. Okay, but what I want to do now, this logo, let me group the two of them. I don't want the vignette effect to be on them. Ctrl G, group, and logo. Just hide it. Ctrl Shift Alt E. And drag the effect to it, and can bring the logo to the front of it, and the vignette effect actually did not affect it. Now, so this was how I created this amazing design in Photoshop. If you have reached this point, you try. I hope you learned one or two things from this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, like, drop a comment and subscribe, and don't forget, don't miss our next video we are going to be dropping. That one is going to be another banger. All right guys, Graphic King signing out. Peace.